Hey guys, this is Kirby Kwan Jr. for Crunch TV. Unfortunately, we did run into some small technical difficulties when it came to day one involving audio, so it may sound a little bit strange in some of these clips. With that said though, please enjoy. What would you think is the biggest sort of piece of advice you could give to new cosplayers and convention goers out there?
Is definitely being persistent, because no cosplays are perfect. Is definitely, everything's gonna have a mistake, but every time you sort of learn from that mistake, you don't have to completely eliminate it, you just make it better, and you're always gonna have fun. You know, that's a blast. You know, that's the best part of it.
Give it your best shot and get out there.
Have fun and make new friends.
I think the biggest lesson I've learned is don't take it too seriously. You don't have to be a perfectionist. Everything is going to look amazing. The flaws that you see, other people don't. I think we always hyperfixate on the imperfections, which is unfortunate because that can cause a lot of problems in your mind. But yeah, just don't take it seriously, have fun, and be safe.
Absolutely. Do someone you like. Dress up someone you like, because you're going to give that one like 100% if you can, right? Absolutely. It's part of it's like going through it with passion, because sometimes you get to this point where there's hiccups, right? Yeah. I ripped this thing, I can't make this thing, but then you just really like the character enough to push yourself to do it. And once you do it, once you get everything all set, like this was, it's a great feeling. Absolutely.
Just go out there and have fun. Doesn't matter what your costume looks like. You know.
That's works.
You know, start off small, work your way up.
Yeah, everyone starts somewhere, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
I started off with like a Spider-Man hoodie, and then I worked my way up. I kept upgrading with Star-Lord.
dope. Okay.
Have fun and do it. Just buy a costume. Just buy one. That's where it all starts. Just buy, whether it's Spirit, whether it's overseas, whether it's just buy one. Do it. Dress up, because when you dress up at these conventions, it's a million times more fun, and that's where it grows, right? So it's just do it. Just do it.
One place where you can literally not be yourself.
Absolutely, and you lose yourself, and thank God that they had one finally, because I think all the people needed this. We need this sort of stuff right now. We need this, and thank goodness. So sorry I talked too much.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to follow us on social media such as Facebook as well as Instagram. And don't forget, if you can dream it, you can make it, and you can become it.